5 rules every successful YouTuber follows. Are you missing them? What if the only thing standing between you and real money on YouTube is a set of 5 golden rules that almost nobody follows, but every successful creator quietly obeys? You see, most people believe YouTube riches are a lottery. They think the platform randomly blesses some creators and ignores others. But the truth is simpler, more predictable, and infinitely more controllable. There are patterns, laws, and behaviors that the top 1% follow religiously, while everyone else unknowingly breaks them without hesitation. And the real tragedy? Most will never realize how close they were to breaking through. Because making money on YouTube isn't about luck. It isn't even about charisma. It's about building trust, attention, and momentum around a message that solves problems or amplifies dreams. And when you follow the right structure, the golden rules, it becomes astonishingly clear why some creators hit 6 figures while others barely hit 6 views. First, understand this. YouTube is a marketplace disguised as an entertainment platform. People aren't just watching videos, they're trading time for solutions. They're exchanging attention for transformation. Every successful channel understands that its true product isn't videos, it's value. And value, when delivered with precision, is monetizable from day one. This is where most channels fall apart. They chase topics instead of audiences. They chase virality instead of consistency. They chase trends instead of timeless demand. They treat YouTube like a slot machine when it's actually a business with rules, rhythms, and repeatable successes. So let's step through the heartbeat of profitable channels. The first golden rule is deceptively simple. Choose an audience with a wallet, a want, and a wound. If your viewer has a problem that feels urgent, a desire that feels important, or a dream they're obsessed with, your content becomes a solution, and solutions are bankable. The second golden rule, present your message with magnetic clarity. This is where so many creators sabotage themselves. They talk too long before delivering value, they meander, they repeat themselves, they bury the lead. But winning creators understand the psychology of attention. Shorten the distance between viewer and result, and they'll reward you with watch time, subscriptions, and eventually purchases. The third golden rule is the one most refuse to believe. YouTube pays you far more when you learn to sell. Not sleazy selling, not manipulative selling, but the Ogilvy style, the persuasive, problem-solving call to action that aligns perfectly with what your viewer already wants. Whether it's affiliate links, your own digital product, a course, a community, or your expertise, profitability begins the moment you give your viewer a clear next step that improves their life. The fourth golden rule, consistency compounds more than virality ever will. Viral spikes feel exciting, but predictable publishing builds an engine. One video improves the next. One idea refines the next. One viewer shares with another. It becomes a flywheel of trust, slow at first, then unstoppable.
If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe, and the notification bell.
And the fifth golden rule, the one that separates hobbyists from earners, your brand must become a promise. When viewers know exactly what transformation you deliver, they return, they recommend, they buy without hesitation. You're no longer a channel. You're a go-to authority, a trusted guide, a name people type into search on purpose. When you mix these 5 rules, audience clarity, message clarity, strategic monetization, disciplined consistency, and a brand promise, YouTube stops being a guessing game and becomes a machine. A machine that expands with every upload, every insight, every new subscriber who whispers, "This person finally gets me." And it all begins with that first moment when a viewer arrives, senses something different, and feels an almost irrational urge to keep watching. That's when you know you're no longer just creating videos. You're creating trust. You're creating momentum. You're creating income. And earlier, I asked you a question. What if the only thing standing between you and real money on YouTube is a set of 5 golden rules? Now you've seen those rules. You've felt their truth. You've watched how they quietly power the channels that win. The only remaining question is whether you'll start using them today before someone else in your niche does.
If this message inspired you, please like and subscribe, and let's keep showing up together.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.